Do you paint on canvases in different sizes and keep on having to change your easel setup? Let me show you the perfect solution, my flexible painting wall. Hi there, I'm Janine. I'm an artist and I share my creative journey on this channel. The thing I get asked about most often in my studio is my painting wall. I used to paint large canvases on the floor in our living room of our previous apartment. So having this flexible wall has been a game changer for me for painting on large canvases and create wood panels. Let me show you. The thing I probably get asked most about is my painting wall. You can see I can fit quite a large canvas on here. This one is 1 meter by 1.50 meters, and you can also just take it off, hang it vertically like so, or if you have some smaller canvases you can hang them side by side. It works for anything that's got basically a frame on the back, so it's got something to hold on to, like a canvas or a cradled wood panel. Obviously you can't use it with flat wood panels. You could even have some a little bit higher or lower down, and you can stack two, or you could even have them above each other. So it's really flexible. If you like this video, consider subscribing. All it is these IKEA Ivar corner posts. I will link them down below for you. They're basically long strips of wood that have these holes pre-drilled already. And then all you need is some bolts. I've just bought these in my local hardware shop or DIY store. So you basically just want something that fits into the holes and that has some sort of lip here that the frame can hold on to. So it doesn't really matter what size they are. I also tried some round ones, but I liked these ones better. And the width, how far apart you want your posts to be screwed into the wall, depends on the size of paintings you work with. On mine, from hole to hole, I've got not quite 45 centimeters. That means that if I have a 50 by 50 or a 50 centimeter wide panel, I can fit that on here because it needs to be a little bit wider, your panel, than the screws, so they can fit inside either the canvas frame or cradled lip of your wood panel. And I've just pre-drilled some holes on 3 spots, one fairly at the top, one fairly at the bottom, one in the middle, just so I can sink my screw in further, about halfway. And then I've screwed in with a standard screw that you use for drywall and a tri-wall, and I also added a drywall plug into the wall. This won't hold a lot of weight because even if I have large canvases, I usually have them have the weight spread over several ones of these, and it's just pulling down, it's not pulling forward. So your drywall plugs and screws don't have to be that strong. I painted them white. They come in a wood finish, but I've painted them white so they blend in with the wall better and don't distract me as much when I want to step back and look at the painting. Then I don't have the painting with these wooden strips around it because my wall is white, so I also painted these strips white. I have seen other people use these horizontally, which if that works for the size of paintings you're working on, go for it. I just really like to have them vertically. Instead of buying these corner posts from IKEA, it'd be a little bit cheaper to just get some 2x4s or something similar to that and drill all the holes in yourself. But I thought it was worth it to not have to drill all the holes and get them pre-drilled by paying a little bit of extra money and buying the posts from IKEA. Having this flexible wall in my studio has really transformed the way I paint. It's so easy to switch the canvas I'm working on or to work on several paintings side by side. Where do you like to work? On a table, an easel, Or do you have another genius solution everyone should know about? Share it in the comments below. If you want to see my painting wall in action, watch me finish some large canvases in the video linked in the description. Thanks and bye bye.